Yo, what's up YouTube? Back with another video. About to go to the gas station because we are almost on E. And if you don't know what that stands for empty. We're almost empty. And it's not the best time right now to be almost empty because gas prices are still very high. And for all of you that know, this is a 6.4 liter V8, which means it takes a lot of gas and costs a lot of money. But I don't daily or drive this thing every single day. Well, I mean, I drive it almost every single day, but not far, you know. So it's not like I'm driving at 30, 40 miles an hour. Wonder what happened with that guy. Turn that off. But yeah, we're about to go get some gas at my favorite gas station in the area because it is the cheapest gas station in the area. And I like to put the most expensive gas, you know what I mean? Because we got the SRT, we gotta fill her up nice, you know? From this old Avalon. That was actually my first car. Gold with the tan guts. Thing was sick. Oh, we got another SRT right here. Probably a striker. Got plenty of those out here. Yeah. Nice white Jeep. I used to have a Trackhawk in white 19. Talk about that in another video. That one's pretty clean though. I love these things, man. They're really so, I don't know, they're just so cool, you know? Gas station right there, but that's not my favorite gas station. It's a couple lights ahead. Sunoco. I usually stick to just putting Sunoco gas in this specifically. Just a mental thing, I guess. I don't know. Let me know if you guys are the same way. If you guys put gas at one gas station, one specific brand. I'll catch you guys at the gas station. And here we are, my favorite gas station. Get some fuel. Alright. Let's do this. We put in this bad boy, some 94. Alright, so there you have it, guys. Almost $100 for 94 octane. $4.79, basically $4.80 a gallon. Shake it, shake it, shake it, baby. Alright, gotta get every drop, you know? Alright, let's go. Oh, can't even put my seatbelt on. Alright, full tank. That usually lasts me a while because, like I said, I don't really drive it that far of a distance every single day, especially because the road's been pretty crappy where I live. You know, I'm waiting for the weather, not the weather, the streets to get nicer, and then I'll be able to, you know, drive it a little bit more. But every single block has like the street stripped up. Get some sound clip real quick. Not a lot of people are out today because it's so dang hot. Everybody's staying their ass inside. I pray all the people that can't afford AC find some way to keep cool in these hot times, because this weather is no joke. So if you have AC or a really good fan, be grateful, because a lot of people don't. I used to work right here, not to be random, but I worked here for several years. Started off detailing cars, and then I got bumped up to salesman. So I worked here for several years, you know, made my bones, and that's where I fell in love with these, actually. I'll talk about that in another video. But yeah, man, good times over here. I was young kid, selling cars, making money. Now everything's way different there. Those things are junk. There's always so many accidents in this area. Alright, let's go, people. There's always a new homeless person right over here, every single time. It's like they got shifts. This guy's here half of the week, some other dude's here for 2 days. Come on, Prius. I'm trying to go home. I gotta get all the way in that right lane. There we go. They got these speed cameras right over here. They're all over the place now. I mean, I'm from Philly, so they try to get money from you any way they can. They got these things on the boulevard. They got them all over through the city, even like small streets. You know, they'll send you warning letters like, oh yeah, this is a warning notice that you were 10 miles over the speed limit. In the future, you'll be ticketed. But over here, they'll just send you a ticket right off the bat. Get a nice $100 surprise in the mail. Trying to get home, man. Now we enter the rocky road. Can't wait till this is all nicely paved. Ugh, ugh. There's my Durango. Poor thing, it's been sitting in the freaking heat. AC doesn't work. Alright, let's put this thing away. Good night. Sick, right? Oh yeah. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Stay tuned for more videos for the future. I'm going to be posting some more driving POV videos, some sound clips, some flybys, all types of stuff. So I'm going to be pumping out some more content. So stay tuned, guys. Subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what you guys want to see. And I'll see you guys then. And hopefully you guys see me then too.